Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Honda Ridgeline and I will show you how to reset the oil life. This video will apply to Honda Ridgelines made from 2006 all the way up to 2014. Okay, so to do the reset you will be using these two buttons on the right side of the instrument cluster. So first press the upper button twice to get into the oil menu. Now I just recently changed my oil and I did the reset already, and now I will show you how to do it. And now what you will do, you will press and keep holding this reset button for maybe 10 seconds. Just keep holding it. And now once you're asked the menu reset, you want to press the upper button once and that will change your answer to yes. And once that is done, just press the reset button once. And that's it. This is how you can reset it and set your oil life to 100%. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.